Welcome to Natural Elements Aromatherapy and experience the many benefits of 100% pure and natural essential oils for your health and wellness. My name is Horolin and I am a certified aromatherapist. The heat-free benefits of the ultrasonic diffuser breaks down essential oils and water into tiny microparticles and disperses in the air into fine aroma mists, and this penetrates the air effectively, absorbs easily, and optimizes the therapeutic benefits of natural and essential oils. This method is 100% chemical free, natural, and safe, unlike your plug-in air fresheners that you find in the supermarket, which contains alcohol, fragrance oil, and toxic. Natural Elements Aromatherapy comes with two types of ultrasonic diffuser, the mini diffuser and the Ambiance diffuser. The ultrasonic Ambience diffuser comes in a classic design for your home and office. It gives you continuous 6 hours aroma diffusion, comes with the timer function, and it doubles up as a soothing night lamp with interchanging mood lights. Both the ultrasonic diffusers can be used with your essential oils or essential oil blend of your choice. Now let's unbox the ultrasonic diffusers and I'll show you how to use it one by one. Inside the box you'll find the user manual, the Ambience diffuser, a measuring cup, and a power cable. Now I'm going to demonstrate how to operate your Ambience diffuser. First, we need to plug in the power cable into your diffuser. So turn it upside down, you would see the DC point in the bottom. This is your power cable. So you need to plug it in to the socket. You will click it. There is a little bracket in here, so you will have to, I'm going to use a pen to push it in slightly. Okay, that's perfect. Sits in properly. This is to make sure your diffuser sits flat on the counter. Now, I'm going to demonstrate how to use your Ambience diffuser. Measure 100 ml of pure water in your measuring cup. Open your diffuser by twisting anti-clockwise. Fill the inner tank with the pure water. The Ambience diffuser comes with a minimum and maximum line. Just make sure that you have filled the water below the maximum line to prevent spillage of water. Next, we are going to fill your choice of diffusion oils. For this purpose, I'm going to be using the De-Stress Diffusion Blend. You would need 6 to 8 drops in your diffuser. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Close your diffuser. Make sure they meet the same line. 2 indents, twist, and now I'm going to plug into the socket point. Switch it on. You notice this beep when the plug point was switched on. This indicates electricity flow to the Ambience diffuser. To switch on, press the light button once, and this switches on the mood light. It changes several colors to your choice that you may like. To switch on the diffuser, you will press the mist once. The light changes green. This disperses the mist intermittently for every 30 seconds, and then there's a break. I can already smell the essential oils in the air. It smells beautiful. When you press the mist button the second time, it changes red, and this disperses the mist continuously. To switch off the diffuser, hold on the mist light, and this switches off the Ambience diffuser. Some of the benefits of the ultrasonic diffuser is it creates a natural aromatic atmosphere. It's chemical free, it purifies the environment, it minimizes pollutants, it is heat free for greater therapeutic benefits. It moisturizes your skin from drying effects of air conditioning. It has an auto shut feature when it's waterless. It is also has calming mood lights and a time option to create the ambience you desire. And the best thing is you don't use any candles to prevent any fire hazard. I hope you enjoyed this session. I look forward to seeing you again. From all of us at Natural Elements Aromatherapy, stay safe when living well matters. Fragrant blessings.